Hi, this is Bruce. When people think of Thailand, they think exotic foods. Well, for the most part, maybe riding elephants. But I am on a mission to search for a dish that is truly exotic. Drunken, cannibal, dancing shrimp. Or maybe they're just live shrimp that you eat, heavily seasoned. But we're trying to find that today, and I think it's gonna be a hell of a good time. So welcome to this episode of Eat, Drink, Travel. So I'm out here at this, it's like a little mall that's only for restaurants. All they serve is food here, and I'll film around here in a little bit. But I found the spot, and I'm excited, so we're gonna try this. It's going 10. Okay. Going 10. Pet meat noi. Yep. Pet meat noi. Okay, finally, after about a week of searching, I have it here in my hands right now, and I am going to try this. I just want a place to sit down where I'm kind of out of the way of everyone's line of vision, and just in case I scream. I'm damn excited. Now, what can I say here? Okay, I found a spot right here. We sit on these barrels. Okay. Look at that. That's kind of a nice setting, huh? It has some charm to it. I kind of like it. I'm a very low, laid-back type of guy, you know? So we're going to set this up right now, and we're going to try this and see how it is. I have it right here, and you can see they are literally jumping around these drunken, cannibal, dancing shrimp. I've tried live shrimp one time, which was about 10 years ago, and it was an experience. It was at my friend who's Vietnamese at his house party. Shout out to Ben Pham. You can find him on Facebook. So let's try this. I did ask her to make it not spicy, or just like medium spicy. Oh, fucking it. Can you see that? They're moving around. They are jumping out of the cup. So it's a salad of some sort. Yep. It's a salad dish. They are most definitely alive. At least some of them. I guess when they're out of the water, they suffocate. Now, it is spicy, but it's not like eating the bugs like I did last time. I've never had anything like this. But the shrimp, they're savory, they're sweet, they're tiny. I 100% would definitely try this again. It's a crispy texture because the shrimp do have their shells on, but it's not hard to eat. This is really good. Obviously, when they're out of the water, they can't survive. But I think that once they get seasoned as well, that probably affects the body. I mean, if you got dumped into a vat of hot sauce, you'd probably be screaming too. I mean, not that they're screaming. I don't know if they feel any pain at all. I truly do not understand how this type of concept comes up. You know, does someone just say, hey, let's eat these shrimp live with some basil leaves, some green onions, some hot sauce, and some, some regular red onions. Who thinks of this stuff? But it's like eating escargot. You know, it's like, who would have thought about picking up a bunch of snails and eating them? Definitely not me. Or roaches, like in my last video. I am on Udom Suuk, which is just on the outskirts of Bangkok, or maybe it can still be considered Bangkok. But it definitely is not like the touristy part of the city. There's a lot of mom and pop shops, a lot of older buildings, a lot more character, if I could say that. And so I happened to find out about this place from my friend's wife, who was very kind to put the Google Map location. Thank you, Teak. Thank you, Dave, for showing me this spot. But I thought this could be some sort of just like food stall right on the street. But it's a huge market with like probably 50, 60 restaurants on the inside. So I'll take you guys around for a quick look, because this is a place that if I lived closer to here, I would be here probably on a daily basis. But this is about 4 or 5 miles away from where I live. Actually, maybe even further. But yeah, I'll show you guys a spot around here because this place is amazing. And I'll put a link to where this is at in case you want to come visit. And you should visit because they have everything you can possibly imagine as far as Thai food. And maybe we'll try some more stuff. So let's do this. I think I forgot to mention, but a person I met told me about this spot, that served the drunk cannibal dancing live shrimp. I'm just gonna call it that. I think it sounds cool. And he said it's really tasty, which it really is. But he said you have to beware of parasites. And he's like, yeah, just joking around. In about an hour, you'll be on the toilet. So I hope that doesn't happen. But just try it one time was absolutely worth it. And I will be getting it again someday soon, because that is one of my favorite dishes that I've tried here in Thailand. The spice. Just to show you some of the really good value of the places here. This is another all-you-can-eat Thai-style barbecue for less than $6. I mean, all you can eat for less than $6. That's 199 baht. It's crazy how low the food prices here can be, because there are also very expensive restaurants here as well. Yeah, I'll find out the name of this market for you guys before I put up the video, because I have absolutely no clue what it's called. But out of all of the markets I've been to here in Bangkok, This is hands down my favorite. The variety of foods that they have here is so much bigger than other markets I've been to. And they have food that I have not seen elsewhere, probably because it's not in the hub of Bangkok. You know, you tend to find things which are different when you go away further, you know, further away from the major part of the city. Suuk Ramen. Oh, this looks good. Look at that. Tonkatsu Ramen for roughly $2.50. So I can't get any pancakes. What a shame. Right behind me is the Sushi Restaurant. Looks really nice. Looks like a tiny home. But the entire restaurant is probably about 12 feet in length. I don't think you can sit inside. You just take it elsewhere and eat. But that's really cool looking. And the prices are really, really good. Look at this. Uni is 120 baht, which is just under $4. Otoro, 80 baht. That's like $2.50. I mean, a lot of my friends know this back home, but when I was living in the States, I would get a manicure and pedicure probably once every other week. And I'm not sure if you saw the sign at the salon. It's like a 10-foot wide salon, but haircuts are like $5.80 US. I mean, and here I was paying almost $40 a haircut where I was going. Wasn't Supercuts, I'll tell you that. I never saw that before. He was opening up the shelves with a bottle cap. Was wrong. They actually do have some retail here, but it's probably less than 10% of the entire area. right there. Guys, that is the extent of this video. I showed you around this market. I will leave a link below so you can get the directions here. I had a good time. There's a lot of great food. I'm probably gonna go back and eat some more stuff. But if you like this content, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll get back to everyone when I can. I try to upload 2 to 3 times a week, and pretty much I am in search of the most exotic type of foods worldwide. I want some of the best drinking places here in Thailand, and I want to fly all over this great country. And then, being based from here, I will travel to other parts of the world. I already have ideas for Japan, for Vietnam. I would love to go to Austria, to France, maybe even Iran or India. I mean, all these places I'm going to be checking off my list. But that's going to be in the future. Not the near future, maybe 6 months down the road, but we will get there with your support. So this is Bruce signing off with Eat, Drink, Travel, and thank you for spending your night with me, or day. It's night here, but I guess I could say day, because I don't know what time of day you're going to watch this, right? It'll be 10 o'clock in the morning. But thank you for watching. I'm sweating a lot, because it's hot here in Bangkok.